sad feelings, you're playing the melody in the right hand, and underneath you have a left hand kind of counter melody. But in measure 1, 2, 3, 4, measure 4, you have E, and the last measure you have A. Fashionably, I detached those two measures, the notes in those two measures, because at the time when Turk was um, alive, it was Baroque period, they didn't have a piano like we do have right now. So they do have harpsichord, or maybe he got to play early piano, I'm not sure. But those early keyboards, you couldn't connect, you couldn't do legato. So big intervals, you just jump and then make it short, a detached sound. Okay, make sure second system you play with the dynamic contrast like this. Yeah, you hear the same thing repeated. You change the dynamics, otherwise no fun.